Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make flourless chocolate cake. Flourless chocolate cake is rich, dense, and fudgy, and super easy to make. To start, you'll want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and then grab either an 8 or 9-inch round cake tin. You'll want to lightly grease this pan with either nonstick cooking spray or butter. Then we'll line the bottom with parchment paper to make it so our cake doesn't stick and it's easy to get out of the pan. Set that pan aside for a second and grab a microwave-safe mixing bowl. We're gonna melt chocolate and butter in the microwave. We're gonna make all of our cake batter in the same bowl, so you'll wanna make sure it's a good size. You'll need 1 cup or 6 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips and half a cup of butter. I'm using salted butter. If you're using unsalted, you'll also want to add in a pinch of salt. We'll pop this into the microwave and microwave on high in 30-second increments. Be sure to pull it out and stir every 30 seconds until the chocolate is melted and smooth. It only took a minute in the microwave to get my chocolate all velvety smooth. Be sure not to microwave it too long, otherwise your chocolate will seize and get all clumpy and you can't really fix that. Next, we'll add in 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar and half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Then either use a hand mixer or a whisk to mix this until just combined. Once that's just combined, I'll add in 3 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then we'll mix this in until combined and make sure you stop and scrape the sides and bottom of the bowl so everything gets mixed in. Then we'll go ahead and transfer all of this into our prepared baking pan. I'm using a 9-inch right now. I have an 8-inch one already in the oven. I want to spread this out. A 9-inch cake will be thinner and cook just a little bit faster, while an 8-inch cake will be a little bit thicker and need an additional 5 minutes. Then we'll bake this in the 375-degree oven for right around 25 minutes, and I'll swap this out for the one that I've already baked. And we'll let this cool on a wire rack for about 5 minutes in the pan. After 5 minutes, you'll run a knife around the edge to make sure it's all loosened up and nothing is sticking. Then we're gonna flip this onto a platter or cake stand. Then simply lift up the cake pan and remove the parchment paper. Let it cool completely, and then we're gonna top it off with a chocolate ganache. Pour 1 cup or 6 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips into a bowl. Then we're gonna heat half a cup of heavy cream in the microwave until it's simmering, which takes about 45 seconds. Then we'll pour that hot cream right over our chocolate chips and let it sit for about 2 minutes. You want to give your chocolate chips a chance to heat up and start to melt. After 2 minutes, you'll take a rubber spatula and we'll slowly stir this until the cream is fully mixed with the chocolate. After about a minute of stirring, it should end up being nice and smooth. Then carefully pour this over the top of your cooled cake and let it kind of pool in the middle and spread to the edges. Give your chocolate ganache a good 15 to 20 minutes to cool and thicken up before you slice and serve. You can serve this chocolate cake up plain, top it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, or another popular option is to top it off with a mixture of fresh berries. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.